Imagine dawn in the wilds of Australia, when the sun's rays are just beginning to break through the dense crowns of trees. At this moment, instead of the usual birdsong, the air is cut by loud, infectious laughter, as if nature itself decided to play a joke on you. This is not a person or an echo. This is a laughing kookaburra, one of the most unusual and charismatic birds on the planet. In Australia, they are often perceived as spiritual guardians of the forests, and their laughing call is associated with good omens and natural harmony.